Jen's Art Class with Boys and Girls Club. Jen's Art Class. Join me this week with Jen's Art Class. This week's Boys and Girls Club art activity from home is coffee filter art. What do you need? Coffee filters, of course, a spray bottle with water, some paper, and some markers. Make sure they're washable. And so what do? You take your paper, you lay it on your table, you put the coffee filter down, and you use your markers to make all sorts of designs. And it helps if you overlap the colors and you do them really heavy. And then you go ahead and you spray it with water. And you want to really dampen that. And you know what? The effect is so beautiful. This was one of my favorite art activities. I couldn't stop doing it. Look at these. I just love them so much. It's like this beautiful watercolor tie-dye effect that you get. And these can hang in the window just as is, as sun catchers. And when you lift them up off of the paper after it's dried, they make this beautiful pattern on paper as well. So you can frame this as art too. And then the third thing I did was I went ahead and I took some chopsticks from Chinese takeout. I painted them green and I just put the coffee filters around the stick and I wrapped the bottom with string just right in here to secure it. And there you have some flowers. Your very own hand-painted, beautiful coffee filter flowers. I think I'll put them in a vase. So do some coffee filter art today.